You want to put a video into a video and would really like to see how it's done. Well, let's go over the process of how to do that, shall we? Hi, Dennis Ray here. Hey, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe below, okay? To put a video into another video, I'm using a free and open source video editor called Shotcut. But the same process can be used in any full-featured free or commercial video editor. First, I'm bringing in my two videos that I'm going to edit. I'm going to drag and drop them into the playlist. Okay, and then bring the first video down into my timeline. Now on this, I don't want the sound in it. I'm going to use the sound in the other video. So I'm going to right click on this and go to More, Detach Auto. And that's going to make another track below it where the sound is at. And I'm going to right click on that and hit Remove. And that removed the sound. And now I'm going to right click and go to Track Operations and remove the track there. Now I have the first video there without any sound. Now I'm going to go and make another track, add a video track, and bring the other video down into it. This is the video that I'm going to put inside the first video. Select that and then go up to Filters. Make sure Filter tab is selected. Go to the plus sign. Go to Video, because I want video filters only, and then scroll down and look for Size, Position, and Rotate. And select that. Now there is position and size. Now I could type in the numbers that I want if I know what position and size I want beforehand, or I can go to the video that I want to resize and position and go to the corner like this and hit the little square and just resize it the way I want. And I can watch the size numbers here so that I can put it exactly what size I want by watching the numbers I want. Okay, that looks good. And then I can go to the middle and I see the cross with the arrows. That means I can move it to what position I want, and I'm going to put it down to the bottom right. There. Now we can preview it, see what it sounds and looks like. Might be a little choppy while it's in Shotcut, but we'll see what it looks like, and after it exports it might be better. This is the Shotcut website. I'll put a link in the description below. Oh, okay, that's not bad. Now there is some excess on the bottom video, so I'm going to get rid of that. So I'll select that, move it up so I can see what I'm doing, and move this to the area that I want to make my cut at playhead. Select the portion I want to remove, right click, remove. Okay, good. And then export it. Export file, and I'm going to call this website. And save. And it's exporting. And when it's done, we'll preview it. The video is finished exporting. Let's take a look at it. This is the Shotcut website. I'll put a link in the description below. There's information about what Shotcut is and what it can do for video editing in these links. But today, we're only interested in how it can be used for putting a video into a video. Of course, the first thing you need is to download the program by clicking on this link and installing it. You know, that came out pretty good. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.